My name is Mehdi. I use Uber Eats to continue to grow and increase my visibility. Crazy Pita is a fresh, casual Mediterranean concept driven from Casablanca, Morocco, from my youth that I brought with me. Bold flavors, chicken, steak, shrimp, and lamb skewers, and we are known for our fluffy pita bread. We're in a growth mode right now. We're seeking new franchisees to take the Crazy Pita model in their cities. My dream is to see Crazy Pita grow to another level to many, many years to come. As I'm growing and scaling my company, you want to deal with companies who are already at scale, who already have the experience. That's why I chose Uber Eats on that delivery path. Here is a platform that is available to you from Los Angeles to New York. They have great marketing system. They have great driving system. I don't have to come up with $1 million to put a loyalty program together. Uber Eats does that for me. It is a great partnership. It's going to continue to grow. Hopefully, we'll see Crazy Pita in every neighborhood in the United States.